My name is Sam. I go to the Heschel High School, and for my project, I built a drawing robotic arm that records certain motions that I give it in order to draw, and then replays those positions that I give to it so that it can draw. I'll show you that I'll show you the recording first, and then I'll show you how it can replay those recordings. So right now I'm giving it motions so that it can replicate these. At first though, it gives me a little bit of jerk, as you'll see, and then it starts playing those. Thank you. For my second milestone, I added another degree of freedom to this arm with another servo and a 6-inch aluminum channel. This gives it a better range of motion for when it's going to be able to draw. And in addition, I also hacked into all the servos, including the base servo. I hacked into all of them, and I received feedback by connecting this wire to the potentiometer inside of the servo. When I receive that feedback, though, I need to map it to 0 to 180 degrees so that I can give it correct positions. And I created two functions in order to record and replay the motions, called record and replay. And in record, I store all the values that these servos give me into a string, and then in replay, I parse through that string and then take those values that I receive and replay them to these servos to replicate the exact motion I just gave it. And it still gives me a lot of jerk because it goes from one position to the next without going slowly. So I've created a new function for my next milestone called motion profiling, and it goes by in 1 degree increments until it reaches its desired position, and then hopefully that will fix the jerk I've been receiving. And I think that's about it. For my future modifications, I'm going to download bitmap images from the internet, and then once I receive those bitmap images, I'm going to essentially teach the robotic arm all the inches of a board, and it will be able to figure out which pixels on a bitmap image correlate to a certain position on a board, and then it will be able to paint from there.